Hello, James. My name is Jay, and today we will learn how to apply a filter on pivot table. As if you try to apply filter on pivot table, it has been disabled in pivot table. So, how can we apply a filter on this? So, if you want to uh, ascending or descending values in this, you can apply by shorting this. But if you want some specific value from this value in the pivot table and you want to filter that values, you will not be able to apply filter on this headers. So how will you be able to do that? You'll need to just go here and press Ctrl Shift L, and now you can see the filter has been applied. So now you can find a specific value to filter. So this way you can apply a filter, or the same, if you want to remove the filter, go to here and Control Shift L. Remove or add a filter on pivot table. If you try from here, you will not be able to get filtered value. So you just need to be on the next to the pivot tables column. So this way you can apply a filter on a pivot table. I hope this video improve your productivity in your work and improve your knowledge of Excel. So thanks for watching my video. Please share and subscribe my channel Excel Boost.